The Hidden Pearl of Tokat. Derya stepped off the bus, her camera bag swinging excitedly. She had traveled far to reach Tokat, a city often called the Hidden Pearl of the Black Sea region. Its name whispered tales of ancient empires and green valleys. She took a deep breath of the fresh Anatolian air. Adventure begins now, she smiled. Her first contact was Emre, a local history student who volunteered to show her the highlights. "Welcome to Tokat," Emre greeted her warmly. "We must start with the foundation, the mighty Tokat Castle. It has stood guard for centuries." Derya was eager to begin. A good guide was essential for exploring such a historic province. The climb up to Tokat Castle was worth every step. From the ramparts, Derya could see the entire city nestled below, the Yeşilırmak River weaving through the landscape. Emre explained that the castle held secrets, including dungeons believed to have housed historical figures. The view was a spectacular fusion of history and geography. The next stop was a wonder of the natural world, Balaka Cave. Walking deep inside, Derya felt tiny beneath the magnificent stalactites and stalagmites. Emre pointed out the unique onion formations, named for their layered structure. The air inside was cool and still, a truly magical underground palace hidden beneath the earth. Leaving the cave's stillness, they drove towards Zinav Lake. Tokat province is full of hidden lakes and canyons. The road twisted through dense forests of oak and pine, showcasing the region's intense greenery. Emre mentioned that the area around Niksar, a historic town nearby, was famous for its delicious fresh air and clean waters. When they arrived at Zinav Lake, Derya immediately wanted to try kayaking. The lake was long and narrow, reflecting the steep, forested hillsides like a mirror. This was Tokat's natural heart, perfect for ecotourism and peaceful escapes. Derya paddled slowly, listening to the silence, feeling completely refreshed. After their natural excursion, they returned to history at the Pazar Caravanserai, or Mahperi Hatun Caravanserai. This massive 13th century stone structure was a resting point on the ancient Silk Road. Derya walked through the massive arches, imagining traders from far-off lands resting their camels and exchanging goods. It connected Tokat to the broader history of world trade. No visit is complete without food. Emre insisted Derya try the famous Tokat kebab, cooked vertically on skewers with sliced lamb, tomatoes, and peppers. She also tasted the local zile pekmezi, grape molasses, and saw examples of Tokat yazma, traditional hand-printed textiles. Tokat nourished both the soul and the stomach. Sitting by the Yeşilırmak River that evening, Derya reviewed her photos. Tokat was not just one type of beauty. It was a rich tapestry, the towering castle, the deep cave, the quiet lake, the historic trade routes, and the vibrant flavors. Every site reinforced how vital this province was in the story of Anatolia. As the sun set, casting a golden glow over the land, Derya knew she would recommend Tokat to everyone. It offered history for the curious, nature for the weary, and warmth for the soul. She promised Emre and herself that she would return. Tokat, the hidden pearl, was a treasure waiting to be discovered.